Hello everyone, my name is Wisnu with student identity number 22060035 and welcome to this beginner's guide to camera equipment designed to help you start your photography journey with confidence and clarity. Whether you are exploring photography as a new hobby or planning to pursue it professionally, having the right gear makes a significant difference. This guide from Photography Life breaks down all the essential camera equipment you need to get started without feeling overwhelmed or overspending. Let's begin. 1. The camera, DSLR versus mirrorless. For beginners, both DSLR and mirrorless camera are excellent starting point. DSLR like the Canon Rebel series, Nikon D3400 or Nikon D5600 are user-friendly, offer high image quality and are widely supported with a range of lenses. On the other hand, mirrorless camera are more compact, modern, and increasingly popularly. Brands like Sony, Fujifilm, Olympus, Panasonic, and Canon offer excellent mirrorless options. 2. Lenses, more important than the camera. The lens you use often impact your photos even more than the camera itself. If your camera comes with a kit lens like an 85mm or 18-105mm, that's a great place to start. These lenses are versatile, covering wide angle to moderate zoom, perfect for landscape, portrait, and casual photography. As you gain experience, you may consider adding a prime lens like a 50mm f1.8, which is affordable and products beautiful background blur for portraits and low light scan. The key is to start with a reliable general purpose lens and upgrade based on your style and needs. 3. Memory cards, fast and reliable. Photography is data heavy, and a good memory card is essential. Choose a 64GB or 128GB SD card with fast write speed like the SanDisk Extreme Pro XDXC. It ensures your photos and videos are stored quickly and safely, especially when shooting in RAW or recording HD video. 4. Camera bag, protection and portability. Next, invest in a sturdy, well-padded camera bag. Your camera and lenses are valuable and need protection from dust, water, and impact. Look for bags that provide easy access, internal compartment, and are comfortable to carry. Sling bags, shoulder bags, or backpacks all have their benefit. Choose based on your travel and shooting style. 5. Tripod, stability for sharper photos. A tripod is must-have if you are interested in landscape, night, or long exposure photography. It keeps your camera stable and open the door to creative possibilities like star trail, waterfall, or low light indoor shoot. Don't go for the cheapest option. Get a tripod that's strong, stable, and lightweight enough for travel. 6. Filters, creative and practical tool. Filter enhance your photos and manage lighting. For beginners, the two most recommended filters are polarizing filter, which reduce glare and enhance color, especially in skies and water skin. 2. Neutral density or ND filter, which allow for long exposure even during daylight, creating silky effect in moving water or clouds. The small tool can transform your image in the right condition. 7. External flash, light control. Most beginner camera have a built-in flash, but it's often harsh and unflattering. A dedicated external flash provides more power and control. It allows you to bounce like off wall or sailing for a softer, more natural look. This is especially useful for indoor photography, portrait, or event. Look for places compatible with your camera brand that support TTL metering, making flash photography easier for beginners. 8. Spare batteries. Never run out of power. There's nothing worse than your camera dying mid-shoot. Always carry at least one spare battery. Cold weather, long photo walks, and video recording can drain power faster than you'd expect. Make sure your backup batteries are from a trusted brand, either official manufacturer, ones or well reviewed with their party option like Wasabi or Raw Power. 9. Lens cleaning tool. Keep your gear sharp. Dust, fingerprint, and smudge can ruin your shot. A basic cleaning kit should include a lens cloth or microfiber cloth, a blower, a soft brush, and lens cleaning solution. Clean your lenses gently and regularly to maintain image quality. 10. Photo editing software, post-processing method. Shooting is just half of the photography process. Editing helps bring out the best in your photos. Adobe Lightroom is one of the most popular tool for beginners. It's intuitive and allow you to adjust exposure, contrast, color, and much more. If you want more control, Adobe Photoshop offers advanced editing features. There are also great free alternatives like Darktable and Raw Therapy. 11. Monitor and calibration tool. For accurate editing, especially if you plan to print or share your photos professionally, you will need a decent monitor and possibly a color calibration tool. This ensures that what you see on your screen reflects how your photo will appear on the other device or prints. While this may not be essential one by one, it becomes important as you grow more serious about your photography. 12. Avoid overhyped bundle. A common pitfall for beginners is buying camera bundle that include dozens of accessories at suspiciously low price. This bundle often contain low quality filter, tripod, flashes, and other gear that are poorly made and unreliable. Instead, buy individual pieces of equipment based on your actual needs and budget. High quality gear, even if minimal, will serve you better in the long run. Final thought. Starting photography can feel overwhelming, but you don't need a studio full of gear to take great photos. Begin with a solid camera, a versatile lens, a good tripod, and some basic accessories. Focus on learning the art and the craft. Your skill will matter more than your equipment. As your passion grow, so will your kit. But for now, keep it simple, intentional, and enjoyable. Thanks for listening and happy shooting.